Assalamu alaikum. I locked the door as you can see. Now I'm going to the work. By the way, it's a Sunday. We will work till 1 p.m. After that, we will leave the work because we have lots of work besides this work. We will go to the market. We will wash our clothes. I'm about to go to market at evening and I'll show you interesting views over there. My work has started at 8 o'clock in the morning and the time is 9 o'clock right now. I'm 1 hour late and it's really bad habit for me. It's my duty to reach on the work quickly. I think I'm not fulfilling my responsibility. I have to change my morning routine. Actually, I sleep lately in the night and I woke up lately in the morning. We had been working since morning, but now I'm not working because I have lots of work to accomplish. It's a Sunday, as I told you in the beginning of this vlog that we are gonna work half day today. So right now I'm going. I'll wash my laundry and I'll take shower. I'll go to the market to buy vegetable, spices, rice and flour with my team members. Finally, I'm back from the work. Now it's time to wash my laundry. This is my soap. This is brush to rub the clothes. And here are my dirty laundry. I'll wash my clothes on the board. Let's fill the water in this bucket. Washing clothes is really difficult for me because I never washed clothes in my entire life. I have started to wash my clothes. First of all, I'm gonna use this soap on my shirt. After that, I'll rub it through a brush. Now I'm rubbing it. It's really difficult to wash clothes. It's compelled for me. There is no my family member here. I have to do everything by myself. I'm liking it because I'm getting new experiences here every day. When I was at home, I did not wash any laundry before. My laundry isn't still washed. Actually, it's taking long time with the camera, so I'm gonna keep my camera inside my room. I'll meet you after washing my laundry. Here you go. After accomplished my all work, now I'm having my lunch. You know what is in the lunch? Brinjal vegetable, rice and one cucumber. Food. I always prefer to eat cucumber with my food. I love salad. It makes it more tastier. As I told you that we are about to go to market, so I'm going with my colleagues. As you can see, they are behind me. First of all, we are gonna drink tea. We are tea lovers. He's pouring the tea in the cup. He's my colleague. I only drink tea on Sunday. By the way, I'm not addicted to tea. I like tea, but I can't drink tea 6 days a week. I only drink tea on Sunday. Oh, thank you. So here is the cup of tea. Now I'm gonna drink tea. By the way, the tea is very hot. And auntie makes really good tea. Bismillah. Oh my god. My hand burned. My finger has been burned. My uncle is sitting over there in the corner and drinking tea. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna meet him to you. How's the taste of this tea? Say something, man. Why are you quiet? He has fallen the tea on the land. I don't want to bother him. We are going to the vegetable shop now. And the shop is over there. Let me show you the direction of the shop. The shop is over there. Oh my god, a lady burning plastic, and this plastic is really danger for us, for our health. It can cause smoke, cough, sneeze. Oh my god, don't do that. So here is the shop of vegetable. We are gonna buy cauliflower. How much? Oh, it's 469 grams. Here are lots of vegetable. This is cabbage. This is cucumber. and that is beans. We are not gonna buy beans because our team members doesn't like to eat beans. We have purchased all vegetable, spices, flour and rice. 2% of our team carrying the material bag on their shoulders and they will deliver this stuff on the room. We are going to the main market because my uncle wants to buy blanket and a sweater. I think so. My uncle wants a haircut, but actually he's not going to get a haircut because of crowd. Yeah, there is a shop of haircut. Do you want to get a haircut? There is also crowd. He is also thinking to enter the shop. I think he will not get a haircut. He is kinda confused just because of crowd. Finally, my uncle selected this shop to get a haircut. Now we are waiting to get a haircut. I think our number is after one number. Yeah. So my uncle is waiting. I think it would take time. So we have to keep patient until he gets free. My uncle's turn has come. He's getting haircut right now. He's sitting inside the saloon. He's sitting behind this person. That is my uncle. He's getting haircut right now. And I think he will be free after 10 minutes later because today here is very crowd. As I told you, mostly people having day off today. It's Sunday. And you can see I'm sitting here and waiting for him. When he will come, then we will go. The quantity of people are increasing in the market at evening. I think this is the best time for shopping. Yeah, people selling their materials in lower prices. So right now I'm gonna eat jalebi. Here is the shop of jalebi, my favorite dessert. So we are gonna eat jalebi right now. And you know, jalebi, as I mentioned many times in my previous vlogs, that the dessert are really expensive here. 250 grams jalebis are of 50 rupees. By the way, the jalebi seems delicious. So we are gonna buy jalebi 250 grams only. I think that would be enough for 2 persons. It's really dark. I know the jalebi isn't visible on the screen, but I'm trying to show you. You can see this is jalebi. Now I'm gonna eat. I can't wait to eat it. Bismillah. Good. Now we are buying 30 eggs, and you know what is the price of one egg here? 8 rupees per egg. And we are gonna buy 30 eggs, so it cost I think 230 rupees. Yeah. So uncle is packing the egg in the poly bag. Now we are going to our accommodation because we have purchased all what we need. Now we are going back, and I think my uncle will buy a packet of milk. हेलो गाइस, मैं दुकान पर बेचने का सामान। कुछ बोलना है? You wanna say something? What's your name? What's your name? What is your name?
क्या?
What is your name?
मुझे नहीं आता है।
She doesn't know what is her name. By the way, she's cute. It was Sunday today. I could not find any interesting moment today. I came out lately, therefore I could not see any interesting moment today. So here I'm gonna end my vlog. If you enjoyed this if you enjoyed this vlog, then subscribe, hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.